guys, welcome to another month of Homemade Luxe. For those of you who don't know, Homemade Luxe is a craft subscription box, and every month we make a Pinterest worthy home decor project. This month we are making this gorgeous pillow. It's a felt flower pillow. We're actually going to be making 2 of these with the supplies that are in your box. So follow along with us if you aren't subscribed yet, and if you are subscribed, these are your instructions. You already have written instructions, but here are your video instructions, and you can go ahead and I'll show you guys what's in the box so you know what to expect, and I'll see you again next month. If you would like to join Homemade Luxe, join us at www.homemadeluxe.com. Okay, now let's get started making our felt flower pillows. The first step is to download your free flower template from our website, which is homemadeluxe.com, and then you begin to cut out the different petals and the circle on the page. After you've cut out all of those, you're going to put a few felt sheets on top of each other, and you're going to trace out the large flower. You're also going to trace out one circle that you'll need. Then you can begin to cut. When you're cutting, be sure to cut on the inside of your Sharpie or pen so that the Sharpie or pen is not shown on your flower. Then you're going to assemble your petals by putting some glue in the middle and folding over, and then again in the middle and folding over one more time. Then you're going to add some glue to your circle, and you're going to add the pointed ends to that circle all in a row until you make one large circle of petals. Once you have your first row, you're going to go ahead and cut your smaller petals and trace and cut 30 of these petals, as many as you can onto each sheet. Again, put plenty of sheets on top of each other so you can cut multiple at a time. Once you have your 30 smaller petals cut, you're going to once again do the same thing to make these into petals. And you're going to make all of these petals, and then you're going to start to assemble them. You're going to put some glue on the back and add them on top of the first row that you've made. You're going to go all the way around until you've assembled a second row. Then you're going to go ahead and use that same small petal size and make a third row, being sure to come in a little bit so that you can see the second row. And there you go. Now we're going to make our middle. We're going to go ahead and first start by tracing out all of our circles. We're going to need at least 10 of these. And again, when you're cutting, be sure not to get any of that Sharpie in your circle. You're going to cut your circle, fold your circle in half, and then add some glue to the side and fold it over like a triangle. Add some more glue on top of that triangle and fold it again, so you have a nice little cone with a fluffy middle. Then you're going to go ahead and add some glue to one side of your triangles and add them to the middle of your pillow flower. And you're just going to add as many of these until you achieve the desired fluffiness that you need. Once you've assembled your whole flower, you have it looking exactly how you would like, you're going to attach it to your pillowcase. You can either glue it to your pillowcase, or my favorite is to just pin it so that it's temporary and you can remove this and wash your pillowcase or change out your flowers for the seasons. And there you have it. All the materials for this project can be found in your Homemade Luxe subscription box, or you can assemble it yourself. See you next month.